Today we will discuss about the if-else-if construct. In the previous video, we have explained the if-else statement. Now we will explain the if-else-if construct with an example of largest among three numbers. So let's start the program. Okay, then we need three variables here because we have to find out the largest among three numbers. So declare those variables as int num1 comma num2 comma num3, and the logic which we are going to use here is we will first of all find out the largest among the first two numbers num1 and num2. Okay, that will be stored in another variable which has to be declared here as large. Okay, then this large will be compared to the third number and the final largest will be selected. So now print the statement, enter three numbers, scanf. Here we have three input variables, so we have to put 3 times the format specifiers. Then ampersand num1 comma ampersand num2 comma ampersand num3. Okay, so the values will be stored in these spaces, spaces reserved for these three variables. Okay, now we are going to use the if construct to compare the first two numbers. We have to find out the largest among the first two numbers first, then only we can say we can compare the third element with the largest. So large is equal to num1, else who is large? Large is equal to num2. Okay, then if again we are using if, then we are comparing this large with C. If large less than C, then who is the largest? Large is equal to C. Okay, else the value stored in the large variable. That means if large greater than C, then the large variable value in the large variable will not be changed. That means num1 or num2 will be there in the large, that will be the largest among the three numbers. Okay, now we can print the largest. The largest will be there in the large variable now. Okay, so the largest among three numbers is percentage %d. Where is this large number? In large variable. Okay, so the program is over. Let us save the program as largest. I saved the file again with extension. So now the compiler can identify the program. So one error is there, that is I have used the third number as C here, but the third number, which is the third number? It is num3. Okay, num3. Okay, /a dot out, enter the three numbers 3, 4, 5. So what will be what is the logic here? 3 and 4 will be compared. So in the first comparison, the 4 will be stored in the large, then 4 and 5 will be compared, then large will get the value of 5 and the result will be 5. Okay, so this is about the if-else-if construct. Thank you. Next I will explain about the conditional operator. Okay, so conditional operator can be used as an alternative of if-else statement. So again I am going to find out the largest among two numbers using the conditional operator. Okay, so void main. Now we need to enter two numbers to find out the largest among two. Enter two numbers. So to read that we need the variables in a comma b comma, and to find out the largest we have large variable, then read it. Okay, now I am going to use the conditional operator. What is conditional operator? It is the question mark. This is conditional operator. So the syntax to use the conditional operator is, first of all we have to put the expression here. What is the expression to find out the greatest among two numbers? It is just a greater than b. Okay, then if a greater than b condition is true, then the answer will be a. Okay, then if it is wrong, the next will be the answer. Anyway, this answer will be stored to the variable large. So what is the working of this conditional operator? This expression will be evaluated, and if this expression is true, the first variable will be the answer. If it is wrong, the second variable will be the answer. Okay, so the largest among these two, a and b, is there in the large variable. So printf, the largest is %d /n, comma, large. Okay, so this program can be saved as conditional dot c in C program. Then compile this program. cc space conditional dot c. Okay, dot slash a dot out. I am going to enter the numbers as 3. So 6 and 3 will be compiled. So 6 is greater than 3. The large will be 6. Okay, so the first a value will be printed. So the largest is 6. If I am giving the input as 3 and 6, okay, 3 and 6, then the second will be the b will be the largest. This is how the conditional operator is working. So the syntax of conditional operator is, first give the expression. Okay, expression. That expression will be evaluated, and put this question mark as the conditional operator. If the expression is the evaluated to true, then expression 1 will be the answer. Otherwise, expression 2 will be the answer. This is the syntax of the conditional operator. Okay.